Hey guys.
What's up, guys?
What are we doing?
We are going to put a side saddle box, toolbox, on our truck to carry some storage for us, for straps, and whatever other things we can think of to throw inside this toolbox. We are needing storage.
Yeah, this trailer came with two toolboxes underneath the deck, and we don't have a headache rack, so
yeah, the no headache rack. See, there's no headache rack. And what we're going to try to do, so we are going to install this
behemoth. So it's really good find. We found it on Facebook Marketplace. We got a good deal. $300 for this toolbox.
Yeah.
It's 30 inches wide. Look at all that storage in there.
Got a lot of storage space in here.
What was it? 28
deep
and 24 wide or something.
It's 30 wide, and we're gonna stick it right in there in this area. Hopefully it'll fit. We'll see. Time will tell. So yeah, that's what we're
so we're hoping that'll fit all of our straps, but we'll see once we get it installed. So first we got to drill. Well, first we got to take our steps off of the catwalk, and then we got to drill holes into the frame to fit the brackets for this box. So it's about I don't know, 95 degrees out here right now.
Yeah, it's 12:10 in the afternoon on Sunday.
So it's steamy hot. We'll be sweaty, but we'll get it done and hopefully have lots of storage. We're hoping we can hit the road tomorrow, get back out there. So all right, so watch us install this. We'll try to show you what we're doing as we do it. So if you need to follow along, if this is a project you want to do for your truck, hopefully we do it right and you can follow our lead.
Or don't follow me.
We're not professionals, don't trust us.
All right, what we got to do now is we got to take these 4 bolts off of here. Okay, take the 4 bolts. But I'm going to need your help. 4 bolts off.
So why are you doing it that way?
How am I doing what?
Doing one size at a time.
Because it's easier to drill out the metal when you step them up instead of trying to fight one big old.
Okay. This is like over here. Okay, we got the right side bracket installed to the frame here. So now we just got to do the left side and then attach the box. Easy stuff.
Right there. I need 30. I need 31. Here, I need 31, right? 31 inches. Or 30 inches, I mean, I'm sorry.
Yep, that's like the end of the bracket.
Yep, not to the end of the bracket, to the inside of the bracket.
To the inside of the bracket, yeah. Right at 30 right there.
Right there.
Yep.
Right there.
Yes.
Colored in. No, you get it all up in there, all the way around. You gotta go. No, you're just yes.
Okay. Now what? One second, I'm gonna go get.
Right here below my right foot. All the way around. Get down below that. Get the bottom. There you go.
I just gotta secure it.
Yeah, I just gotta bolt it to the thing.
We said we needed more storage for our step deck, so we found this Viking toolbox. It's a saddle version, so it replaces the steps up to our catwalk with storage. Brand new, this thing's like $900, and we found it at a pull-apart junkyard in Seagrove, North Carolina for $300. So big savings. It's in really good condition, no rust, no dents. It's a little used looking, but so is the rest of our stuff. So we were able to fit all 19 of our 30-foot 4-inch straps, and then 10 of our 40-foot straps. So all 19 of our 30-foot 4-inch straps fit in here, and then we got 10 of our 40-foot 4-inch straps, and we got room to spare, guys. So I'm sure we'll end up throwing random edge protectors and bungees and things in there as we go along, but plenty of room. It's a 30-inch wide, 28 inches high, and it goes 24 inches back, I think. Great box, great find. So we got that installed, and Calvin's just putting a few more holes in our boxes over here so we can attach some bungees. But I think we got storage figured out.